Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a multi-leader tag in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go annotation, multi-leader style manager, go new, start with standard name T2mm, continue, leader format, type straight or spline straight, color by layer, line type by layer, line weight by layer, arrowhead symbol close field. Okay, arrow size 2.0. okay, break size 0.125. okay, go leader structure, maximum leader 0.2, landing settings, tick automatically include landing, set landing distance, deduct. okay, go content, multi-leader type mtext, text style, click this tab, new style, style name 2mm text height. okay, select font name Arial, text height 2mm, width factor 0.85, apply mu 2mm, set current, close. okay, text style mu 2mm, text angle keep horizontal, text color by layer, leader connection, horizontal attachment, left attachment, underline top line, landing gap. okay, 0.5, extend leader to text, click here, text height 2mm. okay, okay, 2mm, set current, close. okay, let's see. Go annotation, multi-leader, okay, again multi-leader, okay, again multi-leader, okay, add leader, select multi-leader, add, exit, remove leader, select, enter, remove leader, select, enter, add leader, select, okay, exit, align, select leaders, enter, select this leader, F8 press, OK. Okay, now go annotate, multileader, leaders, multileader style manager, T2mm, modify, content, multileader type, block, source block, okay, circle, attachment, center extents, color, by layer, scale 0.75, okay, close. Okay, now let's see multileader, 1, okay, again multileader, 2, okay, again multileader, 4, okay. Now go align, select leaders, enter, select this leader, press F8, okay. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.